Can we buy more? Dalawa. One front, one back?
No. Mulligan
Anytime, anywhere.
Ay, kahit sa green?
Yes po. Ay, exactly.
Sa potting hindi. So pwedeng
Pwede po, kahit magdalawa po kayo
magsunod
sa
kagad. Sana hindi kailanganin.
Ay, pwede naman, kahit sa isang butas sir, dalawang mulligan agad gamitin mo sir.
So anyway, okay. Ha? Yeah. Yung green na lang. Common kasi to eh. Ang ganda yung green. Thank you.
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang.
Sorry.
Teka lagay. Thank you. I am 18B.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So for today's video, I joined a tournament. So I joined the Brafe Golf tournament. So this is the second year that I attended this tournament. It's in Forest Hills. So last year, it was also here. That was my first time playing in Forest Hills. So ganda ng golf course here in Antipolo. So the tournament is a Molave system. So basically it's a point system wherein we will be playing the white tees, tapos point system. So point system niya would be triple bogey, 0 points, double bogey, 1 point, bogey is 2, par 3, birdie would be 4 points, eagle would be 5, hole in one would be 6, tapos double eagle would be 7 points. So this is a tournament for Lasal, so very good fundraising. Love supporting the benefit and also the any activities or mga ganto for Lasal. So golfing for education siya. So I will be playing the Forest Hills Golf and Country Club in Nicholas Golf Course. So excited to play this golf course for the second time. So wish us good luck. Wish me good luck, lalo na sa raffle. So see you all later and hope you enjoy the video. On our way to Boat 18. Hi Ate Rowena, aking caddy. Playing our tournament, biglang umulan. So sana tumigil na siya. So wala, play. At least kakilala ko yung kalaro, pero professional siya. So white din siguro to si Charles. Okay, good luck sa atin Ate Rowena. Galingan mo mag-video ha, hindi mag-caddy.
Yes sir.
Record. Okay, my first hole is the 18th hole, which is a par 4, 345 yards. We are all playing the white tees for men's. Okay, galingan mo Ate Rowena.
Galingan natin sir.
The play is aim for that stick kasi dog leg right. Aim for that stick, it's around 170 yards. So I'll be hitting a 6 iron.
Nice shot.
The second shot, we're in the fairway. Pin is front pin. Playing 160 yards. So I'm thinking either 7 or 8 iron. Bro, ay feed pala. Ay, kaliwa. Hindi nag-feed. Okay, landed left of the fairway. Ang hirap ng position. No green to work with. Around 20 yards to the flag. So tirang 16 pero kailangan pa bite. Kaliwa ba to?
Yes sir.
Okay. Wow, ang bilis talaga. Wala na tayong magagawa doon. Happy na ako doon. I have this putt for par. 5 paces. Paakyat ano? Gaano kalaki sa kanan tingin mo? Mahigit isang cup? Kalahating grip? Ha?
Nice par.
Very good save. Wow.
Charles for his first birdie for 4 points. That's good. Ay, daylay. Take it. Hole number 1, 346 yards. So it's a dog leg left downhill with bunked water in front, water hazard. Okay. To get to the water is 320. So I'm hitting a hybrid to lay up before the palong 260. So safe na safe lang. Ganda. Nakala. Naku ka! Bibigyan din yata. Bumalik? Nice shot.
Doon na lang, sir.
Oh. Right off the fairway, playing 166 yards. Need to carry the water. Playing a 8 iron. Ocho pa rin? Okay. Palinis.
Nice shot.
Landed right off the green. Chipping for par. So, sana up and down for bogey. Gano'ng kalaki sa kanan tingin mo?
Kumanta ako ng dumi niya.
Yung dumi na yan? Tapos dyan din ang bagsak? Oh, kahit lagpas ng konti. Itong duming to. Okay. Four or 5 feet for bogey, which is for 2 points. Charles is putting for birdie. Tapos si Batang for par. So for 4 points and for 3 points. Ako for 2. Okay na yan? Bogey. Birdie!
Oh.
Nice bird.
4 points.
Good bird.
Lakas. Ay, double.
After 2 holes, I'm currently 4 points. So hole number 2 is a par 4, 407 yards, which looks like a temporary green. Okay, temporary green siya. Dog leg right dapat. Okay. Playing 200 yard, 290 to the flag. Medyo dog leg right. Automatic 2-putt. Perfect fade. Ganda ng cut. Sabi sa'yo sa butas na, Charles eh. Oh, automatic birdie. Ay, nip. Nice shot, Charles.
Thank you po. Shot, good shot.
Hey.
Second shot, third shot, because I went to the water. Playing 50 yards to the pin. So this is the temporary green. So I need to get this up and down for a par.
Nice.
Thank you.
This for par. 1, 2, 3 paces. Batang for birdie for 4 points. Uy, laki. Mabilis pa rin, oh.
Ay.
Okay na sa'yo. Pinaka-best score sa daw.
Playing 292 yards. Okay. Great. Too much cut.
Safe. Safe yan. Ako lang yan. Baka nga offline pa yan eh.
Balik. Okay. Good shot.
Uy, nag-draw naman.
Okay lang.
Lampas mo ng boundary.
Oo, safe naman. Basta safe. Hindi na fade nung yun. Landed left of the fairway. Playing 75 yards. Mga tirang 60. Sa kaliwa ng pin. Yan, sa bola niya. Sa bola niya, aim kaliwa lang nun. Okay. Everyone is spotting for birdie. I have this for everyone for 4 points. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paces. Charles for birdie for 4 points. Nice putt. Take it. 3 points. Good putt. Left right yan? Talaga ba? Tingin ko kanan. Gano'n kalaki? Bigyan mo na kang target please. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa? Hindi ba kanan yan? Kaliwa tingin mo.
Dito may kanan sir.
Tapos doon kaliwa. So malamang pa rin sa kaliwa. Gano'n kalaki sa kaliwa?
Tingin ko isang bola lang sir. Tapos
Tapos
mabagal.
kung G's plus 1 plus 2?
Plus 1 lang po.
Plus 1 lang. Isang cup sa kaliwa?
Bola lang.
Ay, isang bola pala. And 4 points. Oh, sayang. I'm 3 points sa previous hole for a par. So hole number 4, playing 180 yards. Dalawang flag to try to win a hole in one. So ang hole in one prize, 100,000 travel insurance, and from 3 strokes, transporter. Pwede na. Yung malayo ang pinili. Go! Parang hinangin sa taas. Oh, safe. Boy, nag-draw.
Stay.
Uy! Second shot, I can choose between 2 flags. Parang mas madali yung yellow kasi pababa. 42 yards to the flag. So tirang 30.
Nice.
Bilis, tama na.
Stop. Okay.
Everyone is spotting for par. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paces. Left to right tingin mo. Plus 1.
Yes sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, win. Very good catch. Very good.
Sa dulo.
Bogey ulit. Ako kasi mura kasi bili ko yun. Naka-plate na ako. Tumalon?
Take.
Good par. 3 points. Nice putt. Okay, I made another bogey. So another 2 points. So hole number 5 is a par 4. 363 yards. Handicap 1. Mukha naman talaga handicap 1. Ang K-TED. So parang may kailangan na jabong na talunin before the green. May jabong before the green. Ganda naman. Follow mo na lang ako, Charles. Nice shot.
Chamba-chamba po. Behind po eh.
Sarap naman, puro fairway.
Pin!
My ball is safe, but I won't risk it for the biscuit. Baka ma-shoot pa ako dun sa bangin. So, I will just take the penalty and drop. Good shot because I had to take a drop. 160 to the pin, hitting an 8 iron.
Nice shot.
Ay!
Plug ball.
So up and down for bogey. 14 yards. 60. Dito lang.
Nice. Bogey.
Tumatalon talaga eh, no? Okay na yan? Good putt. Putt. Charles for another birdie and 4 points. Uy!
Take.
Par 5, hole number 6. I bogeyed another hole. 445 yards. So, alam ko, if I remember correctly, dogleg right. Ito. Okay. Ganda na fade. Power fade. Ganda. Woo!
Good shot.
Sakto sa nyog.
Ako po.
Decent tee shot with the driver. Second shot, I'm left with 190 yards. So, sana maka-fade. Hitting a 5 iron. Sabi ko na eh.
Baba.
Sabi ko na kakaliwa eh. Stand.
Yes, sir.
Okay lang.
Okay, maganda.
Ganda. Patong for eagle. Wow! Nice shot, Charles. Good shot. 4 yards to the pin. Pulled my my second shot. So, kaliwa, no? Left, right, fast green downhill. Tirang mga 35. No? Nababite.
Nice.
Thank you. Kumanan lang masyado. Baliktad. Naka-open kasi. Both Batang and Charles putting for eagle. For 5 points yata ito. For 5 points. Eagle baby. Eagle baby. Bali! Bali! Easy bird. Good bird. Stress free. Good try, good try. Good putt.
Boss, practicing ko na ito ah.
Six spaces. Right to left. Parang Dalmatian yung green.
Exactly, sir.
Kalahating grip? Hindi na. Charles for eagle. Isang bola. Eagle! Eagle! Ay, sayang. Okay na yan. Sali ako sa grupo nyo, birdie group. Kung ma-shoot, isang bola sa kanan, ano? Paakyat.
Paakyat. Par.
Okay, finally, I stopped the bleeding. Made par. So that's 3 points. So hole number 7 is the first, par 3, 172 yards. Hole in one hole. Tatlong butas ang pwedeng pagpilian for the hole in one. So kahit ano na dyan, basta maka hole in one. Hole in one sponsors. Segway. Siomai King. Oh, pangkabuhayan showcase. And what is this? Hole in one, par 3, 3 and 50 pesos and 50 pesos, 50,000 in e-bike. Ooh, pwede. Red flag is 172. The white is almost 190. Tapos the one sa left is almost 190 also, almost 200. So I'll just hit a rare 7 iron. Tapos yung pula na lang. Ganda. Kick left. Para may hangin ah. Oh, 6 na lang.
Cute.
Kumaliwa pa rin. Tama na pala yung 7. Dapat 7 na. To that yellow flag. Ay.
Nice out.
Good shot. I have that for par. 4 feet for par. Simula kagad sa kanan. Bogey. Hole number 8. 306 yards. Pwedeng go for it eh. I remember I went for it pero landed a little short. So, pero it's against the wind. We'll see. Atapang ata. Sinif na talaga.
Good shot.
Playing 50 yards to the flag. Left to right.
Nice. Kick right. Uy. Stop.
Ay, napitik. Oh, what a bad approach. 16 paces. Right to left. Downhill, uphill, downhill. Kanan, di ba? Ha? Gano'n kalaki sa kanan? Ah, gano'n kalaki? Sa loob nun? Tapos, -1, -2? O regular lang? -2?
Wow. Nice birdie. Nice.
Kundi lagpas eh. Ganda rin. Bali. Tumatalon talaga eh. Good putt.
Good birdie po.
Thank you. Chamboy. Good putt. Par.
Ito, sir.
Oo, grabe, no? Okay, first birdie of the day. Hole number 9. Almost 290 yards. Okay. I am 4 over na yata ako. $290 to the flag. Bahala na.
Okay na.
Ala ka!
Hindi abot yun. Parang offline eh. Hindi abot. Offline, pinans na nga lang.
Good shot.
Parang linya ng bunker, ano?
Parang before lang sir.
It's 43 yards to the pin. Ano to, kanan ate? Kaliwa? Kaliwa. Ay, bite!
4.
Hala, ba't ang tulis? Ano ba? Bad approach. Mabilis. Right to left. 16 paces. Right to left.
Nice par.
Nice spot. Ganda na. Nice lag. Hindi bumali, ano? Take it. Okay, Charles for birdie and 4 points. Tumatalon talaga, oh. Pero pasok pa rin. Ay! Take it.
Nice par.
So, just a recap. I'm playing my 10th hole already. So, 3 points for 18, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 19, 24, 27, if my math is correct. Number 10, par 5 with temporary green. I'm currently 24 points for Molave. Pero si Charles yata nasa almost 30 na eh. 29 points yata siya. Same with si Batang. So they're leading. So if ever, kailangan galingan para dumikit sa kanila. Temporary green, par 5, playing 400 something yards. Fade pa. Turn pa. Oh. Naku, ba't ka ngayon nag-draw?
Kick right.
Punching out dito. 100 yards. Ay, 90.
Nice out.
Thank you. Okay, third shot against the wind, 120 yards. Hitting a... Parang against the wind, pwede na pitching. No? 130 ang pitching ko eh. 125. 120. Oo, sige. Masyadong pursado kung 50. Okay.
Nice. Kick right. Okay lang yun sir? Parang hindi na.
Doon sa may mga bugbog na yan. Tapos doon din ang bagsak. 60. Okay.
Mabilis yan sir.
Oo. Diyan ko lang din papabagsakin. Ano? Ang hina naman kasi. Ang hina. Charles for eagle. Ay, sayang. Good bird. Nice spot. Good bird. Bird? Good birdie. Okay, what a lucky bogey. We found my golf ball tumama sa puno. So, hole number 11, long par 4. Good thing we're playing the white tees. It's 300, almost 400 yards. Yan, layo.
Good shot.
Since it's front pin, second shot, I'm left with 100 yards. So a little left siguro aim. Tapos I'm hitting a 60 degree.
Nice shot.
Go! Bounce! Baba!
Nice.
Patong ba?
Patong yun, sir.
Thank you. Landed short of the green, right to left. Mga 10 yards, right to left. Side hill.
Pasok.
Ay!
Ay! Nice par.
For 4 points. Uy, kanina pa yun.
Great shot.
For 12,
Hybrid te.
363. A very intimidating golf hole. Kailangan tabi din dabang jabong. Nako, don't, kick right. Parang
Bali may baong ka pa. Yun na. Ayun.
bumaba.
Oo.
Ganda. Tagal sa ere.
Nice shot.
Playing 150 yards. Pakilagay na lang sa cart. Thank you, ate. Hitting a 9 iron. Sa toe tumama, buti hindi rin siyang. Ganda. Patong yun, dikit. Wow.
Hoy, tama na! Layo!
Sumibat.
Buto na lang pinapay.
Playing 37 yards to the flag. Right to left. Mas mabilis ano? Ayos lang. Regular lang. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan bigay mo? Gusto may puti. Kalating flag? O sobra yun? Kalating pattern?
Apo. Nice. Right.
Bite!
Stop.
Ganun ulit, 4 on 1 pa. Ang lakas.
Okay na.
One pass nga.
I was expecting na lalagpas ka pa ng malayo.
Sakto-sakto rin kuha. Bale. Ay, babalik ta. That's good.
Saan ba nag-pick? Hindi lang nadasal ano.
Another bogey. Hole number 13. I think this is playing shorter. 140. There are 3 pins pala, hindi lang pala 2 pins to choose from. So the red is 120. The white is 127. The yellow is 133. So it's either a pitching wedge or a 50 degree wedge. So ito yung mga hole-in-one. Hole-in-one 10,000 gift certificate. 100,000 pala from K&G. Franchise to Parikit Manila franchise. And 50,000 cash. Wow. Bikini men. Ito na may cash, bikini men. 50,000.
Magpapaligid pa ako na.
Ganda. Dilaw yung pinili. Slap.
Lalayo.
With the wind eh. Sobra talaga pitching. Ganda. Puti. Short.
Nice shot. Biglang nag-against.
Short of the green. Around mga 15 yards na lang yan, ano? Yung pula left to right? Right to left yan? Eh, kung lumagpas sa puti tayo. Gano'n kalaki sa kanan?
1 putter.
Gano'n kalaki. Sa puti nga tayo.
Pasok na.
Hindi mo na sa ilalim. Sa pula dapat yun. Thank you. Thank you. Good par. Wow, yun na, hole out. Ay, panglima na, Charles, panglima na. Hindi pa rin nagbadasal si ate, Charles. Kulang pa yung... Sayang. Ganun din, bitin din. I had that for par for hole number 13. So hole number 14, 376 yards. Another almost long par for dogleg left. Intimidating hole again, pero wide naman. Hole 14, 330 yards.
Mapasira ng golf yan.
Sagad.
May crash
Before the
pero
water.
not girlfriend. Like
250.
inspiration. Crash.
So hybrid. Ganda.
Balik.
Hindi ka pa masaya dyan? Draw. Ano ko nag-draw? Hindi nag-fade. Ayun, sumabit. Bakti.
Parang before po ng...
Naku, kapatay din. Sumama ka rin. Basta may backswing. Lagi yung papala. Telepon ko na ito. Need to punch out here sa kanan. Dalawa yung mangga. Ito sa gitnanan. Okay. Mga tirang 30? 40?
40.
Okay na yan?
Okay, nice po.
Wala naman tayong choice.
Nice daw, sabi ni sir.
Okay. Playing 110 yards uphill with the wind. Kaliwa to konti. Dalim.
Flag ball. Playable.
Approach 30 yards to the flag. Left to right, ano? Okay. Installment. Paakyat left inside. Mula, tumalon. Left inside. Laki ng binali bigla, ano?
Umiwas.
Uy! Pang-anim na! Terrible triple bogey for me. Okay, hole 15, par 3. 3 holes again. 3 choices of flags for the hole-in-one. Babariling ko pa kung anong distances niya. 174 yards with the wind. Bahala na ako ng flag.
Nice shot. Kaliwa.
Maling butas ang na-shoot. 20 yards. I'm choosing the white flag. Kaliwa ba yan? Kaliwa konti, no? 20. Regular lang to, no?
Uphill. Nice.
Ah, ito na.
Stop.
Lakas lang. Ang tulis ng mga chip. Kanyang butas for par. Batang. Okay na yan, batang. 3 paces. Right to left. Right to left, ano? Right inside na? O ilabas ko pa hati-hati? Ah, talaga? Okay. Hindi bumalik sa dulo, no? Pin temporary green for par 5. Dog leg right. Ayan, perfect sa mga fade. Ganda ng mga draw. Saktong-sakto.
Shot.
Ay, may karapatang sumama kanila, Charles. Playing temporary green. Playing 160 to the flag. But it's against the wind. Hitting a 7 iron. No? Tama? 7, 170. Kaliwa tingin mo. Ah, ganun lang kalit. Hindi naman sobrang kaliwang kaliwa dito. Dito. Pero pwedeng dagdagan. Oo. Tapos mabagal doon. Tapos bibili. Ay, kulang pa po. Okay na. Par. Okay, basta ilaland ko lang sa green. Par na. It's a temporary green. It is an automatic 2-putt. So I'm ready for par. For birdie. Another 4 points. Nice bird. Good bird. Last hole, 371 yards. Blind hole. But they are saying aim for this big tree there in the middle. Galit na galit ah. Muntik mo. Fade, fade. Sige pa, turn pa. Ayun, safe.
Good shot. Stay. Okay, safe na safe.
I'm still left with almost 160 yards against the wind. Back pin. I'm hitting a 8 iron. Ano ka? Hazard pa. Ba't kumana? Lucky break. I'm safe. It's around 30 yards to the flag. Kaliwa yan? Kaliwa, no? Sa labas ng bola niya? Opo. Dagdagan pa. Doon na labas.
Kaliwa ng bola.
Kaliwa.
Bite. Ikot.
Hindi nag-bite. Tigas. Okay na, at least. Hindi sobra-sobra. Okay. Landed left. Tigas ng green. Ay, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Atapang atao.
Sipin ko na lang. Ano na anak kong babae.
Para matapang. Kaliwa?
Opo.
Regular lang. Ang mabilis.
Pero maliit lang sir.
Tanggalin mo yung pin.
Hati-hati lang.
Hati-hati lang.
Kasi double
Plus 1? Ay, minus 1? Downhill ba?
downhill.
So, mabilis.
Hindi ganun.
Irregular ko lang. Regular na 6. Pasok! Tapang ni Mrs. Good. Birdie?
Par lang.
Good par, good par. Good par.
Sabi ko, paparin ko lang oh. Pasok. Yes!
Yes, par din.
Masawa ka lang pala nag-uusap tayo naman.
Nice par.
Asawa na matapang.
Ay, naka.
Asawa na matapang, sir.
Kaso saktong ut.
Kaliwa, diba?
Oo. Good game. Good round. For another 4 points. Nice par. Good round, Charles. Maraming salamat. Ate, salamat. Total. Okay, ito daw yung scores namin. I scored a... Maraming salamat, Rowena. Shout out sa aking Kadi. Appear. Appear. Hindi ko kasi nasa. Thank you. Pera ako ng akin. Ito yung score ko.
18 na lang tayo dumaan.
Oo, dun.
I am number 15. 81. 9 over. Or 10. Charles, the winner, and Batang. Ang kasama ko sa flight.
Leave Jesus in our